Wilson here, your hometown realtor as Hometown's Apple Pie with your education corner. Today we're going to talk about hurricane prep. Now, if you're a seller and you have your house currently on the market, or if you have your house pending with a sale, there's a few things you need to know while there's a hurricane out in the Atlantic, maybe with his eye on us. That's right, once we get in the cone of uncertainty, we need to make sure that you have all your precautions in place. You've put up storm shutters, you've got everything ready to go. Once the hurricane is over, or the tropical storm, it is your responsibility as a seller to make sure you pick up the yard, bring down the hurricane shutters, repair any damages, and make sure that the house is in the exact condition as what it was when the buyer first saw it. Now, if you're a buyer in this transaction, you might want to consider having a second inspection if we really do get hit by a storm. What that might look like is hiring the same inspector, usually for a discount. He'll come, or she will come back out to the house and look at the house to make sure the roof, the windows, there's no leakage, that everything's exactly the way it was when you purchased it. And then we can go to closing. Now remember, two things to remember. If you're a seller, that house belongs to you until everybody signs that paper. If you're a buyer, once you sign that paper, the house belongs to you, you're responsible. So make sure you can care for the house depending on which side of the transactions you're on. Well, I'm praying for no hurricanes, but in case we do get some, please don't hesitate to reach out to me with any questions. Edna Wilson, your hometown realtor, as Hometown is Apple Pie. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to subscribe below and make sure you follow me on Facebook for some great content on all your real estate needs.